Want to learn about this picture icon in Windows 10 or 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can easily remove the learn about this picture icon. Now, if you're getting this icon over here, you will realize that there is no option to delete it directly from here. If you right click, the deleting option will not appear. So what you want to do instead is right click anywhere on your desktop, then find the option of personalize and click on that. If not, you can also click on the search bar and here search settings, then head over to your settings. Now from the left hand side panel, select personalization. Now you have the option of personalize your background. Click on this drop down. Now if you have set it to Windows Spotlight, you will get this icon. So the only way to remove this icon is to select anything other than Windows Spotlight. So you can select picture, solid color or slideshow, whichever you want. If you select picture, go ahead and select a picture that you want as your background. Once you select that, if you head back, you will see that this icon no longer exists. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.